This video is on Microsoft Visual Studio. So this PowerPoint just introduces you to what Visual Studio is before we jump in and have hands-on experience using Visual Studio. So just a little background and information. Visual Studio is an integrated development environment, also called IDE. So what it does is it helps you develop a graphical user interface, a console, web applications, web apps, mobile apps, cloud, and web services, and so on. So Microsoft Visual Studio uses the various platforms of Microsoft software, development software, like Windows Store, Microsoft Silverlight, Windows API, etc. So this is not a language-specific IDE. So what this means is that you can use this to write code in C#, C++, Visual Basic, Python, JavaScript, and many more languages. So it provides support for 36 different programming languages. It's available for Windows as well as Macs. The first version of Visual Studio was released in 1997. It was named Visual Studio 97 with version number 5.0. The latest version is 15.0, which was released in 2017. It's also named Visual Studio 2017. So the supported .NET frameworks versions in this version is 3.5 to 4.7. Okay, so you're going to be using .NET framework versions. The versions that are supported is 3.5 to 4.7. Java was supported in old versions of Visual Studio, but not in the latest version. So it doesn't support any, it doesn't provide any support for Java language, just so you know. All right, so to get started with it, to develop any type of app or learn a language, you'll be working in the Visual Studio IDE. So besides code editing, Visual Studio IDE brings together graphical designers, compilers, code completion tools, source control extensions, and many more features all in one place. So that's my short little intro to Visual Basic, and you can now move on to the next video where we'll start getting our hands in there and getting some practical experience using Visual Basic. So you can end this video and move on to the next one.